Hey there, it's Dr. Hillary from Rangeline Chiropractic. I wanted to hop on real quick and go live about posture for our kids while they're sitting at school. I've been asked this a lot. We always have a kids week. I talk to the kids here about posture, but when they're at home, we would notice it the most, right? Watch how they're sitting on a side view, and if they're like hunched forward, their shoulders are more forward. Check that out. Ideally, their ear should line up with their shoulder, and if their head is too far forward, you'll see that. Have them prop up things either like on their desk, or if they're at home doing like homework on the table, like prop things up. The laptops like bring us in a forward posture, and so that causes like the rounding of the shoulders and to have more like neck and upper back tension. So try to have them lift it up and prop it up on maybe a book or something. And if they're going to be on the laptop for quite a while and typing, I suggest getting an external keyboard to have at home. That way they could type in good posture while they're looking up at the screen instead of like down at a laptop. So another thing to think about with posture for kids is the backpacks that they're wearing. So make sure there's a 2-strap backpack, and we want to make sure that it's not hanging below their butt like when they're walking and it like taps and taps their butt. Tighten the straps and bring that up. I know that I've had to do that with my own kids. It's like they play with the straps and then it slips down, or they're only wearing it on one side and then they're walking like this. And I'm like, 2 straps, I make it tighter for them and make sure that they're wearing it properly on their back and not too much weight. Like, I know that's hard, especially with my daughter, to have to carry so many binders and then their Chromebook, but try to get as much out of it as that we can, and so I don't have her bring any extra things into her bag that might be weighing it down. And of course they've got the water bottle too. So mainly watch at home your kids' posture while they are studying. Maybe they're playing games, they're reading. Try to have them lift up things higher, prop some things up. They even make things for sitting in the bed. It's like a little table that can prop up things, and that might be helpful if your son or daughter likes to study or read in bed. That way their head and their whole shoulders aren't curving over. I'm seeing a lot more patients in the past few years than I ever did, and I've been in practice 14 years, and there's a lot more problems going on with the neck and upper back in our younger kids than there used to be, and I definitely attribute this to backpack wearing, poor posture, and too many devices. Hope this helps.